Good morning. So today I'm gonna be going shopping. I'm planning on kind of just trying things on. Aritzia's having a sale, so I was thinking about going in there and seeing what they have. But I will see you at the mall. Okay, so this is a quick little OOTD. I'm wearing this hot pink Ralph Lauren jacket that I thrifted. And then these vintage Levi's that I found at the thrift store. They're a little bit wrinkled. And then I'm wearing my just white New Balance 550s with my bag that I got at the thrift store from the Sack. It's kind of a good day to go shopping because it's a little bit gloomy. The trees are moving, it's windy, and the sun isn't really out, so good shopping day for sure.
At a certain point, like, I hate what's up and go crazy.
Little maroon feature.
You gotta give me a... Dude, this place has been open the entire time, like, I've ever come to know you, and I've never been inside.
I went inside the first time.
Like, lots of, like, weird, like comments like, oh, wow, that looks good. Yeah, I totally think you could picture that.
I'm buying. So a white one, you think? A white dress?
Yeah, just nothing, like, too thoughty, but, like, kind of...
No.
Like,
No, because you want it to be, like, classy.
No, just, like...
Oh.
like, 3%. I don't know, I don't think I can comment, that's right.
This is their MTV of her shopping.
Sunday best.
You have a cameraman. I can't pay for this.
It's like, nigga, look how this short.
Alright, show us.
What do you think of this? Like, could this be cool? I feel like it might be uncomfortable.
Wait, let's get a video of, like, me, like, asking her for a picture, like, I think she's, like, an influencer.
No, we should. We should do that.
Look, can I get a picture of you, please? No, we'll do
See, like this.
That's valid, like a whopper.
This is you, right?
I think you'll raise up the sisters' help.
The sisters.
How does it look?
This is vlog material right here.
Be real.
Trying on some dresses in the Aritzia fitting rooms. There's no mirror, so I have to step out there, but maybe I'll show.
Slow down, hold on, take a breath. If I could, I'd make me feel less. Something in my brain causes So come and make me feel different. You wanna hold, don't hold back. Oh, your little dramas got me mad, and I don't need to tell you facts. You know I always want you back.
Finally got done shopping at the mall at Bellevue Square, and now we're going to get some food at a Mediterranean grill. So hopefully there's some vegetarian food that I can eat because it's so yummy. So
Dude, this is gonna be sick.
packages. I did some rearranging of the apartment and I've been struggling to find a fan. So I finally just ordered one because I was like, I probably could find more of a selection online. So it came. And then in these packages, I just got a pan, tongs for cooking. And then I can't remember what the other one is, but I'll show you once it's opened. I just finished opening up the package, and this is the pan that I got. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, but I think it'll be nice. Then I got this fan. It's really nice. It's really quiet, which is super nice. The other one was like super loud, and I had to like yell just to hear people, so don't mind the mess back there, but this fan is perfect. The other thing that I got were these oil scrubbing brushes. I don't know when I'm going to use those, but I felt like if I was going to be making some chicken. And then I also got these two tongs just for cooking. So I think that I'm going to just head up to the store and get some dishwasher pods. And then I'm going to probably just watch some YouTube. I need to post a video tonight that I've had edited for like a week. I just haven't gotten around to posting it. I still need to make the thumbnail. But it's 11 and I want to get it up before midnight. So hopefully I can do that. And yeah, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. It's been a wild day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching a little day in the life. It was kind of a spontaneous day in the life, but it was super fun. I saw the Spider-Man movie and it was really good. I would recommend going to see it. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm excited to have you back for the next video. And I love you all. Bye.